Hi everyone, welcome to the Crochet Shop by Nano. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet beautiful top with sizes. Welcome back to my channel, the Crochet Shop by Nano. If this is your first time here and you wanna learn how to crochet beautiful patterns, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet beautiful and adorable top. Let's start it. First, make a slip knot. Then chain 4, join in the first stitch with a slip stitch to make a ring. Now to make the first round, chain 4, then in the ring space crochet 1 double, then chain 2, repeat this, 1 double, then chain 2 in the ring space, repeat to make 7 double crochet stitches and 8 chain spaces, join with a slip stitch in the first chains, to make the round number 2, chain 3, then crochet 3 doubles, then chain 2 and 3 doubles in the next space to complete the marshmallow stitch. Then crochet 1 front post double crochet stitch in the next double crochet stitch, now repeat this 3 doubles, chain 2 and another 3 doubles in the next space, then 1 front post in the next double crochet stitch. Repeat this to finish all chain spaces and doubles. After you finished the last marshmallow, join the round with a slip stitch in the first chains. Now, after joining, start to work in rows, not rounds. Row number 3, chain 3, turn your work. Now make 1 shell by making 1 double crochet stitch, chain 2, another 1 double crochet stitch in the next chain 2 space, then make increasing by making 1 shell stitch, then chain 2, another 1 shell stitch, all in the next chain 2 space, then repeat this 1 shell stitch, then 1 increasing shell, repeat this, one shell, then 1 increasing, repeat, skip the last marshmallow stitch without working anything. Now you have 3 increasing and 4 shells. Skip the last double crochet stitches, then in the front post space make 1 double crochet stitch to complete the 3rd row. Now I will work the 2nd row or the row number 4 from the beginning. Chain 3, turn your work and complete the marshmallow stitches. And work the chain 2 in the increasing with marshmallow. Repeat to complete the row. Then in the last space make 1 double crochet stitch. Put markers in the increasing shells, 3 increasing shells, so 3 markers. Row number 5, chain 2, turn your work and work 1 shell in each chain 2 space, but in the marker space make increasing shell. In the marker space make increasing by making 1 shell, chain 2, another 1 shell, stitch the increasing shell, stitch. Repeat this 1 shell in each chain 2 space, but in the marker space work increasing. Repeat to finish the row and re-put the marker in the new increasing stitch space. Markers is very important to the beginners. Now in the last space make 1 double crochet stitch. Row 6, chain 2, turn your work and complete marshmallows. We put the markers in the new increasing spaces. Repeat. Now in the last space make 1 double crochet stitch. To make next rows, repeat 5 and 6 rows to your selected size. To make this piece, measure the half chest circumference according to your selected size. In this tutorial I will make small size, so 17 inches like this. Now to make the body straps, chain 1, then 2 single crochet stitches in the same or the next space, then 1 single crochet in the next space, Now chain according to your selected body length. Measure like this 3 times of your selected length. You can make more or less. Then make 1 single crochet in each chain stitch. Repeat this to make the top straps. Repeat to the single crochet stitch. Then make 1 single crochet stitch in the straps space. Chain 1. You can make or add more rows, so turn your work and skip the first single crochet, then 1 single crochet stitch in each stitch space. In the last, after the last single crochet stitch, chain 1, turn your work, and you can add row, so skip the first single crochet, then 1 single crochet in each stitch, then finish your work with 1 single crochet and chain 1 to fasten off and weave in ends. Straps, rows as you like. You can make 1 or 2 or 3. Now to make the other side, work from the back in the same space with new yarn. Make a slip knot, then pull the slip knot in the space, then chain 1, 2 single crochet stitches in the same space, then 1 single crochet stitch in the next space, and repeat the first strap. Then fasten off and weave in ends to finish your top. Now your top is ready. Thanks for watching. If you like it, give me thumbs up to see more. See you. Bye bye.